I don't want to jinx it, but I probably have the most amazing staff. Very knowledgeable. They're very caring. My right hand, my support group. I probably wouldn't be able to do anything, without their presence and help. We have the front staff who kind of streamline everything. My office manager's, mission statement, I think, is had to save, patients as much, money as she possibly can, kind of making sure they get what they need done in the most financially comfortable way. So she'll work with them however way she can possibly do to make sure they're, comfortable when it comes to the financial part, because, let's be real, that's one of, biggest concerns when it comes to doing dental work. And unfortunately, insurances aren't always, the most helpful. So she really makes sure from, checking the insurance really comprehensively, making sure what's really covered, what's not, is there history, how much of this can be covered, the codes that need to be put in properly to get, coverage, to making, setting up payment plans, or, kind of brainstorming with the patient to make sure what works for them. She's great in that sense. She knows my patients really well. She has, names for the patients. When they call, they know it, so and so. They just pick up and they're like, just, where they left off when they pick up the phone. It's a very friendly environment with the patients. And the back office is, even more fantastic. My, main assistant has been here at this location for like 15 years at least. She's been in with this specific office, and this place has been a dental practice for over 20-30 years. This specific unit. I would be the third dentist to take over the practice. Each one kind of, retiring, semi-retiring, as over time. And she started with the previous dentist before me. And she's been here ever since. Again, she knows the patients. Some of these patients have been here since the first dentist who opened the practice. So they've been with us for a very long time. And she knows them very well. She knows their history. She knows, everything about them. And they have a relationship together. She's also very, very sweet and caring. Great at her work. Very meticulous. Sometimes she makes some temporary crowns, which is, what we put on the patients while we're waiting for their final one. And the patients come in like, I'm so comfortable with this, I'm not sure I want to change it to the permanent one. So she's great. She's, at what she does. So I'm very, very lucky with that. Knock on wood, no one jinx it. It's great to have. I'm very, very lucky, I should say. I really appreciate it. I don't take it for granted at all. They're the force that keeps me going, basically.